Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you today. And today I'm going to do a recipe for you. This is something I kind of came up with just on a hunch and tried it. I always thought about it. Man, it turned out amazing. I call it my crawfish boiled potato bake. Basically what you do, you take some of your leftovers from your crawfish boil, your leftover potatoes, some of your leftover garlic, if you got leftover crawfish, make a wonderful casserole kind of out of it. Let me show you what we got here. I got about, since I don't have leftovers right now, we're just gonna make it. I got 5 pounds of these baked potato or red potatoes, right? I've got some just peeled garlic here. Now I got some of my crawfish boil. Now this is Sweet Smoky Joe's seafood bowl, some of my favorite stuff in the world. That's what we're gonna use to season this today. So let me get with y'all here. First I'm gonna put, I've already got the potatoes in these little bowling bags so they're easy to get out. I'm gonna put this garlic in there. Then we're gonna get them into the swamp bucket, okay? So I got about 2 pounds of boil here. I'm gonna add about half of this. About all we need for this little project here. All right, got that there. Let me get my all right, y'all, now we're gonna drop our potatoes in here. Got it stirred up, mixed up good. Our potatoes in the garlic. All right, these little bowling bags. There we go. The reason I did it like that with the bowling bags is I want to get them out later. I got some stuff I'm gonna cook in there, you know, some shrimp and things like that. So that's not part of the video. This is for the crawfish boiled potato. All right, y'all, I got the potatoes boiled. Let them soak for just a little bit. I'm gonna get them out, just kind of let them drain. Let's see here. Under the top of the bag. I don't want these bags to bust open. There we go. All right, so we're gonna take these out, let them drain, and we should be good to go. All right, we'll mash them up in the pan here in a minute. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. Now, so we got our potatoes here. Let them sit for a little bit, because they won't be too hot when I do this. Take me some gloves and just kind of mash them up. Ain't that garlic? Just rough mash them. Okay, look at that. What I'm talking about. I want to mix them around because I want to get that garlic incorporated all over the place. Right. Man, oh man, y'all, it smells like a crawfish boil right here. I'm telling you what. Mash the garlic around. That's good, just like that, okay? Like I said, just get a good rough mash on all of them. That's the base that we're looking for there, okay? So that's what's going to help us start our crawfish casserole, as I like to call it, okay? Crawfish boil casserole. That's going to be really good. So at this point, you want to taste some flavor. Make sure you're not too salty, not too spicy, whatever. I'm going to add a little Cajun kick to them. I love that. Cajun seasoning there. We're going to go down just like that. Not too much. Also going to add just a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. Oh, whoa, okay. Not too much. All right, now I'm melting a stick of butter over here in this pan. That's what we're looking for. And we're going to add a pound of Louisiana Cajun certified crawfish tails. Obviously, one's from your bowl, what you want to use here, but I'm doing this as a demonstration. So we will add those in, stir those around. I'm going to saute that just for a minute in that stick of butter. You know, this is going to go over top those potatoes. These are already cooked, so I don't want to cook them too much. I'm just trying to break them up, get that flavor in there with the butter. You could put your cap full of like crawfish boil in here or something if you wanted to, but if you got them from your bowl, they should have plenty of flavor. So let them just come up to a simmer, and then we're going to pour these over those potatoes, okay? Alright, y'all, I'm going to kind of just ladle these over there, try to get these even spread out as possible. Then we'll pour the butter in. So I'm not using a whole lot of crawfish in this, just a pound. just because I want to just give that essence of the flavor of the crawfish. Crawfish butter basically is what we got here. We're going to pour on it here in a second. Yes. Okay, so the crawfish go on there like that. So if we got any more of them, see one little corner that's missing some crawfish. That's fine. Now let's go in with this butter and kind of drizzle it throughout. Try to get it evenly as possible around here. A few more of the crawfish here. Okay, so we got that. Spread it out and even out a little bit. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. So now I'm gonna come in with something else. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. A couple more ingredients, and you could add whatever you wanted to. I mean, technically you could add sausage, mushrooms, whatever you think would be good that you had in your bowl that you want to try in here. I just got some green onions, you know. I think this would be nice little addition here. Right there. Goes up, get that back in the fridge. Now I'm coming to one more thing. All right, we got some cheese, shredded cheddar and Colby Jack that we want to put on top of that, y'all. So let's just get that there. Nice helping of that. Spread that around the top. Too much, but you know what I'm saying. We just want to get a nice layer across the top of this crawfish boil potato casserole, whatever you want to call it. So here we go. Smooth that out. Now we'll pop it in the oven. I don't know, check in about 20 minutes or so, see how it is. Pop it in there, let's say at 4. Y'all, let's give these wonderful potatoes a try. The crawfish and everything. That gets us a good corner bite. It's potato, crawfish, green onions. That's a huge bite. Let's try some of it though. Oh my goodness. That crawfish. Right there, potatoes, that spicy from the bowl. That's where we're at. We ain't never throwing our potatoes out after crawfish bowl again. Good stuff. Thank y'all so much for watching. Sub my channel, like the videos. God bless y'all. Have a good one. Try this after your next crawfish bowl.